The West Midlands was the crucible of the first industrial revolution, combining iron, heat and steam to create new ways of travelling, working and how we live our everyday lives. But this transformation came at a cost to our planet.
As a combined authority, we've set an ambitious target to be net zero by 2041. And we've also developed our detailed plans of how we're going to start on that journey, the things we're going to get done. And as the home of the first industrial revolution, with all of the sort of breakthroughs it meant to mankind, we've got a particular moral responsibility to lean into this challenge and of course think, as the home of the green industrial revolution, about just what we can do here to meet that challenge. And there are new opportunities in that, not just good for the planet, but also thinking about the new economic opportunities, new businesses, new jobs, which are good, of course, for our citizens and every community across the West Midlands.
To achieve net zero carbon, the West Midlands will need to bring together all of its 21st century industrial strengths to bear on the climate change emergency.
The low carbon sector is the fastest growing sector in the West Midlands, and its economic strengths and innovations will drive the green industrial revolution. By decarbonising transport, developing vital new forms of energy storage, transforming the energy market through smart systems, and maximising our resources and materials.
The West Midlands is indeed the centre of manufacturing in the UK, with 12% employed in the industry compared to 7% nationally. It's also industry underpinned by innovation and research.
The automotive industry is critical to the UK economy. It employs hundreds of thousands of people and generates huge export revenues. It's a sector that's going through a major transition from internal combustion engines to electrification. For the West Midlands, this is particularly important because so much of that industry is concentrated here. And the great news is that we're on the front foot. We've already invested in facilities like the UK Battery Industrialisation Centre and the battery research facilities here at WMG.
Research underpins every part of the green industrial revolution, pushing the boundaries of technology just as our 18th century forebears did before us, but this time protecting the resources available to us.
The West Midlands is home to 6 universities carrying out research covering everything from fuel technology to decarbonisation, from material re-engineering to advances in digital technology. This is not only good for our planet, it means that we're building the skills that we need for a green revolution for generations to come. Not only for the West Midlands, but for the UK and the world. At the University of Birmingham, our leading research centres, including our Birmingham Centre for Railway Research and Education and our Birmingham Energy Institute, working with the Tyseley Energy Park and Warwick Manufacturing Group, are producing solutions that are driving the green revolution.
Yes, we've inherited a planet whose resources have been overexploited and which is facing an unprecedented climate challenge. But as the young people of the West Midlands, we're ready to face that challenge. We want to create a fairer, greener, healthier world, not just for ourselves, but for the generations that are yet to come.
As the home of the green industrial revolution, we want to protect our planet and help it recover. We've already planted over 17,000 trees as part of our virtual forest. Capturing carbon, these trees will also provide the habitats for biodiversity to flourish, helping the planet recover. A green revolution, a green economy, and a green future.